everyone, it's Christina with Sweet and Southern Customs, and today I want to share another monogram tutorial. I'm prepping these for a project that I'm going to do in my next video, so I just wanted to go ahead and show you how I do it. The last one I did the circular monogram. This time I'm going to do the vine monogram. So we're going to go into Cricut Design Space, and we're going to upload. I use SVGs, so I'm going to upload my letters. And I already have it pulled up. This is the vine monogram. So with the monogram, as I've said, the first letter is your first name initial, the middle letter is your last name initial, and then the last letter is your middle name initial. So for my first initial, for my left letter, I'm going to use the regular C. So we're going to open that one and save. Then we're going to go in and get my right letter, which is going to be W, and I'm going to use the regular W. Save that one. And then we're going to go get the middle initial, which is going to be for my last name. So we're going to do the upper M, since it is going to be the bigger letter. Okay, so now we're going to click the first one, hold our shift key, and click the other two, and we're going to insert them all at the same time. And when they bring them in, these should be the size that you already need them. Well, they should be the same sizes. You shouldn't have to adjust anything. So, but they do come in really big. The file that I have comes in really big. So I'm just going to shrink them. And when you do this, make sure you have the lock over here locked, because if not, you will get it all out of whack and all wonky. And yeah, so, all right, so let's see. So we need to check to make sure that our letters are the same height. So this one is 2.402. But see, this is 2.396, so they're not the same size. So I'm going to take these and I'm going to put them at 3. And I'm going to put this one at 3. And then this one in the middle, we're going to put that at 4. They're going to make that an inch bigger. So there. So now I know that they are the same size. So I just want to go ahead and select them all and a line in the center, and then now I can move them around as I need to. And what you're trying to do is get that middle initial pretty centered between the two letters. I try not to close up my swirlies, but sometimes it doesn't work that way. See, I brought it way up there. So let's see. Let's try. Yeah, it's still going to. And I just have to keep playing with it to make sure to see how I like it. And I think my little swirlies are going to end up being closed up just because of how my name is. And I really don't want it to. Oh my goodness. I don't want my swirlies closed up. This is the first time I've done my actual initial. So, you're learning with me. But it seems they are going to get a little closed up. I don't know. You can just keep playing with it. Moving them around. If you want, you can go way, no, not way out there. You can kind of go over this way. But see, then you get a big, huge gap. So monogramming is pretty close together. So let's center these back up. Let's bring the C out because we don't want to bring the W in anymore because it will end up closing this up completely and touching. which may not look too horribly bad. It gives me all kind of different little swirlies, actually. And it's just kind of, you know, intertwined with each other. I don't know, I kind of like that, actually. It's more of a personal preference, how you like it. So I'm going to align those. I think I like that there. Alright, so it's all pretty much centered up. So now what you want to do before, you don't want to just send it to Make It, because for one, it's going to have the letters all jumbled up. Let me show you. If you click Make It, has your letters all out of whack, and then you'd have to piece it back together. Okay, you don't want to just group it, because if you just group it, then it's going to cut everywhere that these meet. It's going to cut it out also, so it's going to cut every single little letter out. So what you want to do is select it all, and you want to weld it, and that makes it one complete cut. It groups it already together. So then when you go to Make It, let me put the size that I need. Let's go 2.5. Yeah, that should be good. Alright, so now I want to make it, so we're going to click Make It. And if you're using Oracal 651, you do not have to. You can just go ahead and cut it like this. But if you're going to use HTV like I'm going to use, you want to mirror it. Make sure you mirror if you use HTV. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, because I know I struggled with doing other monograms for my kids and stuff, and I had to figure it out. So yeah, again, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you have not already. Click, and make sure you click the little bell. That way you can be notified of when I post new videos. And you can follow us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. All the links will be down in the description. And if you would like to support us, we also have our Patreon page, where the all of our patrons receive special perks. So yeah, all of the links to everything will be down in the description. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video.